Here we are. Today we have come to the Google Chrome combination keys to work faster. So let's start. Press Ctrl with N to open a new window. Press Ctrl with T to open a new tab in a window. Press Ctrl with L to highlight the URL. Press Ctrl with V to print the current page. Press Ctrl with R to reload the current page. Press Ctrl with D to save the current page as a bookmark. Press Ctrl with F key to open Pine Bar. Press Ctrl with positive to enlarge everything on the page. Press Ctrl with negative key to minimize everything on the page. Press Ctrl with 0 to return everything on the page to the normal size. Press Ctrl with H to open the history of the page. Press Ctrl with J to open the downloads page. Press Ctrl with S to save the current page. Press Ctrl Shift with N to open a new window in incognito mode. Press Ctrl Shift with J key to open Developer Tool. Press Ctrl Shift with B key to toggle the bookmark on and off. Press Ctrl Shift with T key to reopen the last tab that you have closed. Press Ctrl Shift with Delete key to open the Clear Browsing Data dialog. Press F1 to open the Help Center in a new tab. Press F10 to open the Chrome menu. Press F11 to open or exit the full screen mode. Press Shift with Escape key to open the text manager. Press Escape key to stop the loading of current page. Press space bar to scroll down the web page. Press Home key to go to the top of the page. Press N key to go to the bottom of the page. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, share, like and subscribe. Goodbye.